Hello students, in today's lesson we will cover the last chord from the major chord pure note family. So far we had already covered C major, D major, E major, F major, G major and A major chord. So the chord that left with us is B major chord. B major chord is also a bar chord and mostly not playable in open notes. There might be some trick to play B major chord with open notes, but the trick must involve either muting some notes or it would be very difficult to hold for the beginners. So for B major chord, first let's understand what's all we are going to do today. First, we see all the chords that comprises B major scale. Then, we have a major chord formula with the help of which we will discover our B major chord. Let's start. Let's see our B major scale first. It is B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp and B. Then we will assign each note a specific number so that we can address it later when needed. This is Roman numeral representation formula that helps us to identify the nature of the chords. It is very important formula, you must have to learn it. With the help of the formula, the chords that we get are: note that capital letter stands for major chord and the small letter stands for minor chords. Now the chords are B major, C sharp minor, D sharp minor, E major, F sharp major, G sharp minor, A sharp diminished. We also have more chords to complete the family. They are B major 7, C sharp minor 7th, D sharp minor 7th, E major 7th, F sharp major, F sharp dominant 7th or F sharp 7th, G sharp minor 7th, A sharp diminished or A sharp minor 7th flat 5. So, now it's time to derive our B major chord using major chord formula. So, our major chord formula is 1, 3 and 5. Notes in the scale corresponding to address 1, 3, 5 are B, D sharp and F sharp, which means if we play B, D sharp and F sharp together, we will get our B major chord. So, our B major chord will be B, D sharp and F sharp. Let's have a look onto the fretboard and tries to find out how to play it on our fretboard. As I already told you earlier in the lesson that B major chord is also a bar chord. So the bar will be on the 2nd fret with the help of index finger. Same what we have used to do in our F major chord. So the notes from the index bar are: 6th string 2nd fret is F sharp, 5th string 2nd fret again is B, then last string which is 1st string is 2nd fret is F sharp. Again, then we have F sharp on the 4th string 4th fret, B on the 3rd string 4th fret, and D sharp on the second string 4th fret. Let's see the notes again starting from the 6th string. 6th string 2nd fret, index bar is F sharp. 5th string 2nd fret, index bar is B. 4th string 4th fret, middle finger is F sharp. 3rd string 4th fret, ring finger is B. 2nd string 4th fret, pinky finger is D sharp. 1st string 2nd fret, index bar is F sharp. Let's hear it. This is all for today's lesson. We have now completed all the major chords of pure notes section. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and practice more.